Alex with Quick Transport, and over the past few weeks we've been rebuilding this whole trailer. This is SD 5306. This is one of our 53-foot extendable trailers. So the first thing that we did is we had to take out these stop pins here. As you can see, we've got these big pins, and these were rusted in there pretty tight. Travis and Quinn, they drilled out a center hole here completely through, and they put in a water hose, and then they heated up the outside bright red hot and took an impact and pretty much worked them out. It took a very long time to get these out. What these do is when you're opening up the trailer, when you're spreading it, this prevents this from dropping completely. So it's kind of a safety measure, and these needed to come out in order for us to open up this trailer. The next thing that we did is we took out all of our lighting and electrical. As you can see, we still got all our wires attached, but the reason we're doing that is because when we're all done tearing this apart, it's going to go get sandblasted to see kind of how much rust we have on this trailer and see what we need to repair here in the shop. Problem with that is that, as you can see, this whole light box is rusted out. So eventually this is going to get a new light box. This is going to be one of our repairs. So we wanted to make sure that it was all cleaned out and ready to go for sandblasting. So the next thing that we did is we're going to be taking off this rub rail and fender section on the back wheels here. So this trailer is a tri-axle trailer, and as you can see, it's got these little fenders here that go over the tires and the wheels. So this comes all out as one big section. So this is what it looks like before we take it off. This is what it looks like after you take it all apart. So the next part that we took off was this front step section of this trailer. So this trailer is what's known as a step deck. So it has one step that goes down. So we wanted to take this off because, as you can see here, all of these cross members are completely rotted out, and all of these are eventually going to get replaced, especially on the floor section here, which I'll get to in a second. But we mainly took this off so that they can have better access for sandblasting and that we can have access when we need to repair it. We're planning on probably doing the cross members and all the rust repair here after it gets sandblasted, because we can do that in-house. We're going to look at the fifth wheel plate too and make sure that that's good. If it's not, we'll have to replace that too. It also gives us a better idea of the scale of what we need to do. So just like the rest of the floor, you have your aluminum top here and your steel bottom of the trailer. The frame is steel, the top is aluminum. So it's all bolted in together into the floor. So the last step that we had for now is we took off the first part of the floor. So just like the step on the top, it's bolted in here with floor screws, and majority of them were rusted and stripped out, so we had to either plasma cut them out or heat them up with a torch and take them out with an impact, like you would taking apart any other floor on a trailer. So it was a lot of work, and we had to sit here and pry up the floor, pretty much take all the wood, which we're probably going to be replacing all the wood pieces too. So that's pretty much all we have for progress on this trailer right now. Stay tuned for more and check out the next step.